So I'm about to go to the doctor to check on the baby. I'm just waiting on my transportation right now, my ride. And I'm trying to be quiet because my other babies are still asleep. So I don't want nobody waking up crying because they seeing me leaving at the door. But I'm gonna give you guys an update today when I get back home. But I'm gonna block some of the visit once I get into the actual doctor's office. Okay. Cody. Can't do that. So her Jaden. We're just sitting here watching a movie. Today is what is today? February 8th. Yeah. So this is 2 days after my doctor's appointment. So yeah. The kids are just sitting here watching a movie, Sherman and Mr. Peabody. And I just thought I'd give you guys a little update on the doctor's visit I had the other day. I didn't record a lot while I was in there because they was talking to me a lot because I hadn't been there in a while like I should have been. But so okay, I will be 21 weeks Friday. So time is going by kind of fast to me, but maybe it's because I've done this so many times. I just feel like it's flying by. But they measured the baby. He's measuring he's measuring at about 20 weeks like he's supposed to. 21 weeks. My uterus is right above my belly button. He is moving a lot. So I feel a lot of movement. I almost was for sure that they were going to send me for an ultrasound the same day, but I guess because they done switched to like they medical people, their office or whoever it is that they work with, they switched because now they're with Baptist. I go to UT. I'm here in Memphis, so I go to UT Family Medicine University Clinical Health, or whatever you want to call it. And they now seem to have joined Baptist, so maybe they doing stuff differently. And it's kind of, it's okay. I like the changes, but I was thinking that they were going to send me to a different clinic for an ultrasound at 20 weeks, but I didn't get sent to get one. But he did mention that someone will be contacting me with a date on when I was supposed to go and get the ultrasound, my anatomy scan done. And it's not going to be at the place I usually go to. Okay. Shh. It's not going to be at the place I went to with my other kids. But it is going to be actually at the hospital that I'm going to have the baby. So I'm waiting on somebody to contact me about that, or waiting on an email or something with dates. A date on when to go get my anatomy scan, and that's gonna be where I get the confirmation that I'm actually having a boy. Because, like I said, I got the blood test done that told me that I was having a boy. I haven't had any ultrasounds yet to confirm it. But okay, so I just wanted to say this. I do realize that my son, when he fell asleep, he was snoring. But I didn't realize how loud it was because it sounds even louder on the phone than it does in person. So, I hope that y'all can hear me. And to be honest, I really don't feel like recording that all over again. That might make me a bad content creator, but that is what happened in the moment. You see, he was awake when I started the video, and then he was rocking himself to sleep. That's why the video was so shaky. And he fell asleep. And I'm snoring in my video. Maybe y'all will hear that and laugh at it, but hopefully y'all can hear me talking too. I just want to put that in there. Alright. Am I okay, yeah, it's recording. Okay. So, I haven't had any ultrasounds done yet, so they checked the baby's heartbeat. I think it was 151. I don't want to say this wrong, but I think it's beats per minute. I don't know. Don't let me say that wrong, but the number was the heart rate was 151. So yeah, and my weight basically, I haven't gained too much weight. My pre-pregnancy weight was about 180. And I've been 180 ever since I had Cody. It never changed. It's been that way for about a year and a half. But I only gained 5 pounds, and I'm halfway through my pregnancy. So I feel like that's not bad. That's good, because they want you to gain 25 pounds, or you're supposed to gain 25 pounds during your whole pregnancy. But I'm halfway through, and I've only gained 5 pounds. I've never actually put on the whole 25 with none of my kids. But yeah, hopefully that don't change while I'm saying this. My appetite ain't been too wild. I haven't had a big appetite at all. I haven't had many cravings as I did when I had cravings, but it was like when my second trimester started, like when the morning sickness and stuff was over. But I'm almost now. My second trimester is almost over. But if I do want something, it'll be like cold things, like colds, like slushies, or like cups of ice with juice, and ice cold water, really cold milk, like cold things to drink. And I don't really crave I don't crave a lot of sweets, but I have my days where I want like a snack cake or something, but I won't even finish it all. I end up giving it to one of the kids. And then I have days where I just want vegetables, like cabbage and green, like soul food. Like I could say this, like a couple days ago I wanted like some lima beans and cornbread. I still want that. So homemade cornbread, not the Jiffy. So I crave stuff like that, like soul food. Not a lot of unhealthy stuff though, I would say. But I don't know. I don't have a lot of weird cravings. Let me say that. I don't have a lot of weird cravings. What else? They didn't really do a lot at this visit though, and I was surprised because I thought I was gonna actually have to drink that glucose drink, that sugary drink they give you when they're testing you for pregnancy diabetes. I didn't even get that done. So I guess at my next visit in 4 weeks, they're gonna do all of it. So that'll probably be one that I actually can film and y'all see some stuff. See how that visit goes, because this last visit it only took about 30 minutes. It wasn't long. And they didn't really do anything. Now I can say one thing though, this doctor I saw wasn't the last doctor I saw when I was there. He was almost kind of like not getting on my nerves and stuff he was saying. Like, I'm like, okay, I hadn't been there in a while, so he was like, we see that this is not your first pregnancy, but we need you to come and make it to your appointments so that we can follow the baby's growth and follow your health all the way through. And I said, I understand that. I was just like, I need to make sure that y'all can give me morning appointments, because afternoon appointments don't work for me, and that's what y'all been giving me. I can't get here in the afternoon. I don't have anybody to sit at home with the other kids. So he was like, make sure that they give you morning appointments so you can make it here. And then he said something else like, I know you probably feel like you know what to do. You went through this before, but like, oh, like you don't need us. I'm like, that's not it at all. I can't have a baby. I know I'm not having a baby on my own. Like, I'm not doing it by myself. I can't get myself my checkups. I don't have the equipment at home to make sure my baby is okay. So that's not the case at all. I just told you what it is. Y'all keep giving me appointments that I can't keep. And, so if I have to keep rescheduling because of the time that y'all give me, then it's kind of, I don't know if it's my fault, but I know for definite for sure that it's y'all's fault because y'all can't give me nothing in the time frame that I can get there to. But I was like, sometimes I think people talk to me how they do and not realizing that I'm a grown woman. I might look like I'm kind of young, but I'm in my 30s. I'm not a child. And this man was kind of older. Like, you looking at my chart, you see how old I am, right? But, yeah. So, well, that was it. That appointment, they didn't really do much at that appointment. But, yeah, so that's that. That's that for that. Yeah. That fast, he sleep. Yeah, I also have another life update. So I don't know if you guys saw my other video. My last video? No, my first video. Where I was talking about our living situation. Like I did say that we were in temporary housing. And that's exactly what this was. Temporary housing. So I thought we had 3 months to be here, but the time was cut a little short. But the thing is, people who are spiritually gifted and they are in tune with their intuition and their inner voice, they know things gonna happen before they happen. So, yeah, I have been seeing the numbers 555, 444, leading up to finding out that we was gonna have to leave here early. I knew there was going to be some change coming, and I also knew that the Most High was telling me that we were going to be protected. Yeah, there was going to be some changes happening, but we are going to be protected during this transition. So, we were supposed to have until the end of March to move, but we're having to move at the end of February. So I just ended up having to reserve us an extended stay, and that's where we're gonna go. We're gonna go stay in an extended stay at the end of the month, and I have it booked up for 1 month, and then I'll just renew it until I don't need to renew it again. So I'm going to go back on the side of town where my folks are at. Right now, I'm kind of far away from where my family is, who can help me, like get places where I need to go and grocery shop and stuff like that. They're all on the east side. I'm close to South Haven right now, so I'm going to go back out that way, and everything gonna be good. Everything is gonna be good, and I feel like I'm just going to do more readings to pass the time, post on my tail channel. Now I don't like to read for myself because it seems like when I read on myself, it's kind of confusing. I don't understand why. Reading the cards, I get confused because I feel like I pick up on other energy, and I always feel like it's not me. But right now, I've been so isolated, and I've been like secluded. The only person that's been around me every day, like the energy, is my little brother. So if I pick up on anybody's energy, it could be his. But I feel like I've been so isolated from everybody else. If I did a reading on myself tonight, I might could get some information out of it. But I only do things like that when I'm tired. So, yeah. But I know this video was probably kind of short, but I just want to give you guys an update on the pregnancy because I did say I was going to let y'all know when I got to the doctor. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. And if you're not new here, thanks for coming back. Click the bell notification so that you are notified anytime I post content. And I will see you guys later. Bye.